Hi, I'm Daniel Marques, General Manager at Fresh Express Moro Jorge. I'm here today to talk about the new processing lines that we have installed in our Moro plant where we produce ready-to-eat salad bowls.
The salad bowl is a convenient product for our consumers to enjoy their favorite salad recipes anywhere, including their homes and offices. All Fresh Express manufacturing facilities are designed to ensure we prepare our products to the highest quality and food safety standards. Our approach to food safety covers the entire supply chain, starting with the selection of the farmers, service providers, and suppliers of ingredients and packaging materials. This includes monitoring every step of the supply chain to make sure the materials we use always comply with our specifications and the most stringent regulations. Our salad bowl lines in Moro are perfect examples of our commitment to produce the highest quality, ready-to-eat salads. The facility was built using the latest hygiene and sanitary standards, which includes systems that provide clean water and filtered air to the areas where product is handled and packed.
Our design gave special attention to materials that come into close or direct contact with food. The entire space where we produce our salad bowls is maintained at a higher air pressure than the adjacent rooms. We use an air makeup unit which cools down the air and passes it through filters to remove contaminants that are present in the ambient air.
The higher pressure in the process room prevents unfiltered air to enter the area where food is exposed. The production area is always kept refrigerated with temperatures ranging from 36 to 38 degrees during production. The air makeup unit can heat the air temperature to approximately 60 degrees during the daily sanitation to prevent condensation. During the daily operations, the site is monitored by a team of USDA inspectors. All the functional equipment in the building, like light fixtures, hand sanitizing tanks, tray racks, and wash basins, have been procured to meet the latest sanitary and hygiene standards. The same standards were applied to select the walls, epoxy-coated floors, and for the design and location of water drains. All the salad blends, ingredients, dressing cups, and bowls enter the building through a tunnel that spray a sanitizing mist around their outer packaging.
The processing area was designed to allow for a linear product flow where raw materials, ingredients, and primary packaging enter the building in one side and finished salad bowls leave it on the opposite side. Only after this sanitizing step, the prepackaged salads and ingredients can be opened and used in the recipes. The packaging lines where the salad wraps are made were custom built for Fresh Express to meet the highest hygiene standards and to be easily disassembled to allow a thorough cleaning.
The salad bowls must be hermetically sealed. Our sealer is designed to adjust the composition of the air inside the packed salad. This process extends the shelf life of our salads by modifying the oxygen content according to each recipe. One of the last steps in the process is the labeling. Here we add information about the ingredients, their nutritional information, and instructions on how to prepare, store, and use our products. At the end of each day of production, our processing rooms are completely cleaned and sanitized by our sanitation crew in a process that takes at least 4 hours. Since most cleaning is done by hand, Fresh Express qualifies its employees who work exclusively in the sanitation process to follow certified cleaning and sanitation practices.
All sanitation activities are supervised by the Quality Assurance Department and verified by the USDA inspectors. Fresh Express employees receive intensive training related to good manufacturing practice and food safety.
We make sure that employees of Fresh Express adhere to a routine, which involves hand washing and the use of disposable gloves, hairnets, and clean smocks before they enter the food processing areas. The entire salad bowl facility has a network of video cameras that records the activities in every area. The video recordings come in handy when management needs to assess the compliance with the food safety practices and adherence to the hygiene and sanitary guidelines.
At Fresh Express, the quality and safety of our products is our top priority. Food safety is never static as expectations shift, regulations change, and our knowledge evolves. The only thing that remains constant is our commitment to food safety improvement and optimization.